So let's try to see together how to ask if you can try something or taste something in a shop. Do you think I could try on these jeans? Vous pensez que je peux essayer ce jean? Vous pensez que je peux essayer ce jean? Vous pensez que je peux essayer ce jean? As you can see in French, jean, it's singular. We don't put the plural form. So it's un pantalon, and by definition, it's a singular concept. Could I try these jeans on? Est-ce que je pourrais essayer ce jean? Est-ce que je pourrais essayer ce jean? Est-ce que je pourrais essayer ce jean? This option is, quite polite too, because we put this est-ce que just to make it clear that it's a question, and after that, je pourrais. So we've got this conditional form here, the could concept. So it's the verb pouvoir, can. So it's really nice. It's a nice way to ask. Can I try these jeans on? Je peux essayer ce jean? Je peux essayer ce jean? Je peux essayer ce jean? So in that case, remember that because we're keeping the same order, we've got the subject and verb, you really need to raise your voice at the end to make it clear that, it's a question. Okay, so je peux essayer ce jean? Just slightly in the end. Is it possible to taste? Just to get an idea. C'est possible de goûter, juste pour me faire une idée. C'est possible de goûter, juste pour me faire une idée. C'est possible de goûter, juste pour me faire une idée. Do you think I could taste it? Est-ce que vous croyez que je pourrais goûter? Est-ce que vous croyez que je pourrais goûter? Est-ce que vous croyez que je pourrais goûter? So as you can see here, we've got this est-ce que, just to make it clear that it's a question. We're using this vous, remember, when you address to somebody. Always use the vous, if you don't know this person. It's really the key to politeness. And after that, I'm putting the je pourrais, once again, it's the conditional. So it's really the polite form. This question is really, really nice. Can I have a taste? Je peux goûter. Je peux goûter. Je peux goûter. So as you can see, this one is extremely short. It's efficient, let's put it that way. If it is given with a big smile, then in that case it's quite okay. We don't put any conditional in that case, so it makes it a bit more rough in a way. Is it possible to taste it? C'est possible de goûter. C'est possible de goûter. C'est possible de goûter. So it's quite interesting. This one is same thing. Same category as the previous, because you can see that there is no conditional form, and the fact that I'm not using the je, like can I taste, je peux goûter, but c'est possible de. Well, it's this like impersonal way of asking if I can do something, but I am just among the others. So, is it possible? Is it allowed? Can it be done? Okay. So this one is it's okay. It's simple. If you want to memorize some simple structures, obviously these two last structures are the easiest one to memorize. But if you really want to ask politely, well, go back to the first one I gave you. Okay. Merci beaucoup.